During my reign, the type of music that filled the court was that of lutes, choirs and harpsichords. But had I, Queen Elizabeth I, lived longer, I might have encountered the great Sir Edward Elgar. Born in a humble cottage called the Firs in Lower Broadheath, just a few miles from where you're standing, he rose from Worcestershire soil to make the nation sing. He followed his father as organist at St George's Church in Worcester, and then composed Pomp and Circumstance, later turned into Land of Hope and Glory, a title which I find most agreeable. His enigma variations are musical riddles, each one secretly dedicated to a loved one, friend, or even an animal. He was knighted in 1904 and embraced new inventions, recording his works for the gramophone. Imagine music captured in a spinning disc. During his final illness, he said, "If ever after I am dead, you hear someone whistling this tune on the Malvern Hills, don't be alarmed, it's only me." How perfectly dramatic! A man born in a cottage, whose music still echoes across hills today.